We have had this turntable for a while and are really loving it. But when we first got it, I had recorded the unboxing of it and I thought I would share a sped up version of that with you here, just so you can see how it comes and how to assemble it just visually. And it was actually really easy to do. This is our first one. We've never had one before. And it was very simple to put together and get going. It only took us probably 20 minutes to start playing music from the time of receiving the box, and everything was so well protected inside of the box. We just adjusted everything and kind of trial and error on it until it worked, but there are instructions in it that tell you exactly what to do. So it was really easy in that way. And we have just loved this. It was really important to us to get one with a direct drive and that had Bluetooth capabilities for the speakers. And this one has been perfect. We love it. Would definitely recommend it for sure.